claim anymore anyways. But yeah, let me just let me post a screenshot of this in the
guys.
in the drip
Are
chat.
you listening to this?
Showing the BSC scan.
Okay, I'm gonna pause this here because I can. Okay, everyone, I'm gonna leave a link below. Brandon over at Drip Guide. I hope if you're in Drip and you watch stuff on YouTube, you need to subscribe to this guy. This guy's, big into Drip. He's completely changed his life. He's been able to quit his job, move to Puerto Rico, doing it up. And he gives out such good information on Drip. You got to check out Drip Guide. There's an AMA going on right now with FOREX Shark. I hope all of you have been listening to it. It's one of the most bullish AMAs I've listened to. I'm getting excited. I actually think that tomorrow, Piggy Bank actually does launch. Usually I'm always like, guys, be prepared for anything. You never know what could happen. It's FOREX. He's horrible at this. I'm actually feeling like it's going to happen tomorrow. Are you getting excited? Listen, and I get it, right? Like some of you are in Drip and you're like, God, this animal farm piggy bank thing, it seems like it's just taking away from Drip and I get it. Okay. It tends to do that in the beginning. We saw this happen when the Manor Farm came live and then the animal farm, but it's all designed really to support the entire ecosystem and to support the Drip price. There are people that are in the Drip community that have joined within the last year that have been able to quit their jobs and become full-time just making money off Drip. And by the way, they don't just sell Drip. They're buying Drip. Today, they're buying Drip. I know people that have bought hundreds of Drip today because of the price so low. And these are people that live off of it. They live off the 1% rewards on their deposits. And they're still buying. So don't think that you're like late to the party here. We're just getting started. This is like, all right, I'm on some Moon Boy type shit, but I'm getting excited. All right. So I get it. I'm a little Moon Boy today, but after what we're seeing in the markets this week, a little hopium infused rush, I think is actually justified and good. Go to Drip Guide, listen to the AMA. Let's get fired up. We're making some money. There's my little rant. There's a little short video to get it out there to all of you. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace.
I ain't just an average Joe, way above the average flow. Boy, my life is most dope. And I ain't gonna wait for nothing, cause that just ain't my style.